Yeah, really is good wallpaper. Oh, you guys thought I was, come on. Just make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Just make sure you wash your hands too.
Well, all right, last tour of the San Diego Altman Brothers house tour, and we're back in the Bridges. If you want Tuscan, this is where you buy. If you're looking for a modern,
Don't come here.
don't even think about it. Come on. And the trend for today is doors on doors on doors. This is the first door
To the next door.
to get to the front door. Yeah, typical in this era, of course, is the courtyard over here.
I mean, look at this courtyard, Josh. It feels like a village, by the way. You know, you're looking up, you've got little areas all over to sit. Really beautiful.
Well, you know what they say, it takes a village.
Yeah,
that's right.
That's part of something.
So come on in. What's really cool about this, besides, well, it being an Altman Brothers newest listing, is this house is almost 11,000 square feet. And we're priced at $4,995.
What?
That's under $500 a foot. I don't know about you guys. I don't even know how to build for less than $500 a foot.
I don't think you can.
In my opinion, you buy this house, you got built-in equity right away, and we're gonna start in the back this time. Let's go check it out.
Indoor, outdoor dining, indoor, outdoor chilling. Look
Yeah,
at
I mean,
backyard.
this is what it's all about. We've had many listings in the Bridges before. This is what people pay for. They pay for the quality of life, they pay for the security, and they pay for the golf.
I mean, Josh, what holes are we looking at again?
So you got the 9th and the 1st that you're overlooking, but you're on top of the 18th. And if you come over here, look at that. That's the golf club. Beautiful. But I mean, the trees are pretty. The land is pretty. And can you believe the size of this house?
I can't believe the price of this house.
That's it. Matt Altman might buy it. Multiple
possible.
offers.
I might bid against myself in this situation.
Now, the layout of the house is really cool because it's mostly single living layout. You got the master and the office and all the main rooms on the first floor, which if you don't have a big family, that's where you're going to be spending most of your time.
We got an office over here, powder room. Great view of the new van.
Look at this.
Custom ceilings,
Yeah.
hardwood. But wait till you see this master and bathroom. It's phenomenal. Walks right out to the pool. Check it.
All right, we're in the master suite, big time volume.
This is sweet.
This is a sweet master suite. I mean, everything in here is just big time. You got a big fireplace, you got a big bed, big ceiling, big couch, and it leaves out to a big view, which I love. That pool is an epic pool.
I agree, big boss.
Big boss.
Big boss.
Come on, big boss is gonna show you. It's gonna show you the bathroom right now.
Wow, this is an entrance.
Under 500 a foot. You
I
guys
don't-
understand what that means? Try building a house anywhere in California under 500 a foot. You can't.
I think they got some incredible cabinets in here. I think this is all William O, right?
Yeah, very famous cabinet maker,
Out of
very
Colorado.
well known.
Oh, and you got, check it out, look in the toilet.
Oh yes.
Urinals are just awesome.
Self-flush urinal.
All right, well, let's check out a little bit more. I hear they got a custom movie theater in here that's to die for.
Let's do it.
And check this out. Look at this kitchen.
Ooh. This is Tuscan real estate at its best. This is a heavy duty stove, good chef stove.
You got the coffee maker, incredible double islands over here. The whole family sitting. This is your day life. That's your other day life, and then you got your fancy on the other side. But look at these views. I mean, you're looking right over the course.
You think this is real?
I think it's really pretty.
All right, well, comment. Let me know if you think that's real.
Look at this staircase, huh? A little singing in the rain.
There you go. That's pretty good. You didn't trip.
This is the old football workout right here.
That's good.
Yeah, I know, I'm good.
That's the first time Matt's worked out in a decade. Oh, look at this.
This is the game room. This is the pre-theater room over here,
I love this.
right?
This is cool to have upstairs. This is the best view of the golf course in the house. True story, I was showing a client a house near a golf course, and the only thing they were interested in looking at in the house is where they could put a green so they can drive onto the golf course anytime they want, forever, because it's in their backyard. So like right here, you could nail the 18th, the 1st, and the 9th. God, it's so peaceful out here.
I know. How do you think that guy gets his groceries? Definitely orders out, right?
Postmates?
Postmates?
Ooh, Matt.
Oh, again?
Oh, yeah.
How many times in your life do you have to lose at a game to realize you'll never win?
Oh, here. All right, well, we're on the road today, so whoever loses buys lunch and supersize.
Supersize it, baby. We're going fancy today.
Oh, I almost just ended you before you even started.
I'm gonna end you right now.
Oh,
As always,
damn.
I would like that Impossible Burger, if you know what I'm saying.
Do they have Impossible Burgers over there?
Bro, Burger King has the best, greatest meal you've ever had.
Oh, really?
Have you not tried it yet?
No.
Oh, life-changing. Really? Are you stealing
Almost
balls?
took the ball.
All right. Check this out.
Ooh, built for Hollywood royalty. Come on, check it out. I love this.
I mean, besides the fact that these are incredibly comfortable seats, just the way it's all set up, there ain't a bad seat in this amphitheater,
Wow.
right?
Yeah, it's a really big theater.
I know.
This house is tricked out, especially.
With the stage, bro.
I wonder if this is like one of those cool mics that make different sounds.
If you rub it.
Check. My name's Josh. Anna. Check for the record in the second. My name's Josh. Anna.
I don't have that much.
All right.
I don't have that much energy anymore to do that. If I was younger, I'd do that.
But by the way, what's very cool about this, not only is this your theater, but it's the entrance to your secret casita. Why don't you open up door
Let's go
number
see it.
2? Hello.
Look at that. You see the gold AV? That's right.
So what's great about this, you can enter it from outside. You can have guests come in. They don't have to come through the house, but it's an awesome office. It's an awesome house. It's an office. Honestly, this is the house for most people.
I mean,
This is better than at my first house.
I would live in here.
Yeah.
It's better than our first house. Bigger.
It is bigger.
This house is insane. For the
I think
price.
it's for the price, you're getting the best deal I've ever seen out here.
No joke. I know we say that a lot, but
This time, we mean it.
well, that's it for today, folks. We're gonna head back to LA.
We gotta go. We gotta hit up the motorvan.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You guys have seen some ridiculous real estate. Some of it we could not show you yet because we had listing appointments. Thank you for hanging with us. In the meantime, San Diego, La Jolla, Del Mar, we're out. Back to BH. That's how we roll. Let's go.
Later.